This is Padley, and you're listening to Math World. Now, here's your question. Can you guess how the human hand, the petal of certain kinds of flowers, and even some famous painting could be related mathematically? Well, if you have no idea, our question of the day from listener Lucy Waters in Rhode Island will have you. Miss Waters asks, I have heard a lot about the Fibonacci sequence lately. What exactly is it? For an answer, we contacted Professor Mathematics Dr. James Quitt. Hello, Dr. Quitt. Can you tell us a little about the Fibonacci to answer Miss Waters' question? Well, it's a great question, especially since the sequence is surrounded in so many forms and many people have no idea about it. It's really very intriguing once you're aware of this. First, what the sequence is. It is the series of numbers, and in the sequence, each number is the sum of the preceding two numbers. In other words, we add two numbers together to get the next one. Let's look at the start of it. The numbers are 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, and 8. So if we add the first two numbers 1 and 1, we get 2, which is the third number. Then 1 and 2 equal 3, which is the fourth number. Then 2 and 3 equal 5, which is the fifth number, and so it's continue. So let's see, each number is the sum of previous two numbers, and the sequence can just go on and on. Yes, that's right. And what's so amazing about this is that the sequence shows up around it in so many ways. It's a pure natural word. Natural form tend to reproduce the sequence. For example, flowers, pine cone, and seashells, and look at the petal on the flowers. They're more likely to be 5 petals than 4. The spiral on the seashells also involves number from the sequence. It's not easy to see with the flowers, but the measurement of spirals also involves the number from the sequence. Some people even mention the human hand when talking about the sequence. We have 2 hands. Each of these has 5 fingers, and its finger had 3 parts, separated by 2 knuckles. All of these are a number in the sequence. Maybe it's just a coincidence, or maybe not. And it's not just in natural words, it's also in the art world. It's appeared in a lot of art. Probably the most famous is the work of Leonardo da Vinci. We see a lot of spiral in his painting, and spirals are the forms most associated with the Fibonacci sequence. It also appears in music. One of Bach's pieces is based on the sequence in the way the music pattern repeat. Now it's not clear whether Bach did this constantly or not. Interesting. Who discovered all this? It was discovered by a mathematician in Italy in early 1200s. His name was Leonardo Pisa, but he called himself Fibonacci because his father's name was Bonacci. Anyway, he was an extraordinary mathematician. He actually introduced the decimal system to other mathematicians of the time. So mathematicians have known about the sequence for a long time. Yes. Now, your listener says that he heard a lot lately about the Fibonacci sequence. It seems like the interest in these areas comes and goes in popularity. Lately, it has been more popular. I think it's great. It's fascinating. And if it gets people interested in math and numbers, then it's all the better. It is fascinating. Thank you so much, Dr. Quest. You're welcome.